What's going on, guys? Drew with them here at Walnut Ridge Family RV Sales. Today we are checking out the Hideout 240BH bunkhouse unit. This thing is just over 5,000 pounds and it sleeps 10 people. Not going to find a more affordable family camper anywhere. So starting up front here, we have our twin wardrobes. We do have 110 bolts on each side. Plenty of side room on that nice big full-size queen bed. Coming forward, we got this awesome jackknife sofa that's going to sleep with 2 additional people. Then you got your dinette over here. This actually lays down and sleeps another 2 additional people. And then you've got your oversized bunks back here that will sleep 2 apiece. So coming in a total of 10 people able to sleep in this thing. Nice spacious bathroom back here. We have our 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. This thing is solar prepped, so if you go with that option, this thing will run off the solar if you go that way. Coming over here, we got a full kitchen, 2 burner stove, full size microwave, tons of storage, and you are prepped for a TV as well. So now that we've looked at the inside, let's go take a look at the outside. Alrighty, so on the outside here, we do have a power tongue jack up front here. Coming through to the back, we have pass-through storage that goes all the way across down under the bed through here. We've got a nice big awning with LED lights all the way across, marine grade speakers. You got TV prep right there, and you also have some additional storage back here on the back, electric stabilizer jacks. This thing is ready to roll.